Berlin Packaging is a hybrid packaging supplier, and our mission is to improve our customers' bottom line. STUDIO111 is one of the offerings of Berlin Packaging. We provide design and development services free of charge because our customer success is in turn our success. We use 3D printing to create amazing visual models for our customers to understand what we're proposing to them. A 2D print never does judgment to a 3D shape.
We have a client that has a very specific design that they have narrowed it down to, and they want to be able to understand the actual look and feel, size, shape, everything about it.
We will go into a sketch phase. We sketch on tablets and create a wide range of concepts that fall within these parameters and then help our customer narrow down to a single solution.
We'll bring that into our CAD software and model into 3D, make sure that it's volumetrically correct, and then understanding the dimensional constraints.
From there, an engineer is approached. We work to make it manufacturable, and then we start building 3D parts to be able to review the concept and send to our client for their review and approval.
We print essentially 6 to 7 days a week.
The reason we picked the Xtreme 3SP was because the Xtreme 3SP has a large build envelope. We're able to build multiple bottles at the same time with bottles that have gone up to 12 or 13 inches in height.
It's nice to be able to meet multiple deadlines in one build.
Being an engineer, I really like the accuracy that we get off this printer. You're able to test things with high confidence and high precision, which lets you validate better.
We do a lot of things in glass. We do lots of high-end spirits these days, and a E-class clear model just looks so much more exciting than a 3D printed starch model.
The resolution of the final product is a lot higher.
Having something that is a similar look and feel to the end product does make it easier for the client to envision what their design is going to look like in the future.
To be able to crank out parts consistently day after day is great.
Our goal is to combine the things that are wonderful and creative and beautiful and appealing to a consumer with the realities of the manufacturing world and things that we can provide and make and sell to our customers and that they can sell to the consumer.
We're always looking for the latest tools that provide us what we need to develop extraordinary packaging.